In a recent conversation with India's leading home buying platform, it was revealed that prices of urban land have been rising at an annual rate of 6% in the past 5 years. This has led to concerns that homes are becoming increasingly unaffordable for middle-class buyers. So, what's behind this trend? Well, urban land is scarce, and as demand continues to outpace supply, prices will naturally rise. This supply-demand imbalance is further exacerbated by the lack of alternative investment opportunities in India. The flip side is that this price hike could potentially benefit property owners who have already invested in their homes. However, it also presents a challenge for those who are looking to enter the property market but can't afford these increasing prices. It's important to note that not all urban areas are experiencing this price surge. Some regions have witnessed stagnant or even declining prices due to factors like overbuilding and financial stress on buyers. In these areas, investors may find better opportunities for returns on their investments. So there you have it, my friends. While it's clear that the housing market can be a challenging one for middle-class homebuyers right now, there are still opportunities for investment and ownership in other areas. Contact us at Royal Properties to book your affordable and luxurious home in this rising market.